Okay, so remember, everything we talk about on this channel is gambling. It's fast money, easy money, high risk, nothing other than put money in, or let's say crypto in and crypto out. This is what everyone loves. That's why this is my fastest growing channel. Every single day we get more and more new subscribers. I want to welcome Kick Beats. I want to welcome Min Ho No, also to Crypto Income Pro. I want to welcome New Level to BitMEX Fast Money Trader, and also DS, another new subscriber. All just in the last few minutes. This is great. Let's get that money, baby. Just remember, no matter what you think of me, I am the furthest thing from your investment advisor. Let's roll. Now, there is so much garbage coming out every single day. These are not trustworthy. 280% after 2 hours. You know what this is called? A try it program. They say, oh, let me just try it with $10 or $20 like this, 660% for $20 in one day. Look, these are not real 99% of the time. No matter how new they are, you put your money in and it disappears. Here's another one, Grizzly Forex. Total scam, stay away. Here's another one. Those of you that have been in the game for a while, you remember Laser Online? Looks like their twin brother, doesn't it? Again, stay away. Let's stay with what's proven and stay with what works. The sleeper has been hourly pay. There are several programs. Only pick the one that says 2% per hour forever, or 2% per hour, or 2% per day forever. It's the first one. When you go to make a deposit, it's this one. I went and chose this one, and let me show you what happened to me. Opened a second account. This has been running for about 5 days, and I'm lucky to get $1 a day. Okay, so do not pick this one. But if you go ahead and pick the one I'm telling you, it's an absolute winner. A sleeper. How long is this gonna last? I don't know. There's no way to tell. If they're a year old, a month old, there's no way to tell. All I can tell you is I am getting paid big time. This is where you wanna be. Look. My total deposit was $360. Yes, I just added another $100 to it. You go into this slow, and I've withdrawn $904 like lightning, and I have $54 there right now that I can withdraw, and I'm gonna go ahead and snag that $54. We're gonna go Bitcoin. Oh, it's Ethereum, so we're gonna grab this, go like this, and drop it in here. And it is instant payment, as instant can be. Boom, paid. There's your batch ID number. Anything else we could take from here? Let's take this Bitcoin. This is why I love these things. This is where you want to get to. All right, the higher the interest rate, the faster you get in the money. All right, and this one has been a sleeper. I'm going to put a description or a link in my description box. Underneath my video, you're going to see a Discord link, EXP asset, HYIPS, which we'll talk about next, and hourly pay, 2% forever. Okay, this one is unreal. Main Robots is another winner, and FX Trading Corp is another one that will run for a very long time. It's been running for months, and we'll go into that in another video. We want to drop this down here. And also, you'll see some of my favorite Oracle products. Okay, you can check these out down here. My favorite watch, my favorite TV, the most powerful cell phone ever made for gaming. You gotta check that out. These are all Amazon links. Check it out. The pause button screwed me up. So this one, pick the 2% a day plan, and this is where you wanna be. Every day free money. Look what I pulled out. Look what I put in. Don't go too crazy, do $100 at a time. Okay, if you want to add more once you're getting paid, that's fine. This is called hourly pay. also known as Ho Pay, pay me ho. Main Robots, another unbelievable platform. It's proven itself. 5396. Now this one, there's a 6% per day forever platform, okay? And look, right now, well, let me tell you where I'm at. I put in 1679. I've already taken out $2,053. If you get lucky and you get in at the right time, okay, you can make a passive income like this, like your thing is an ATM machine. Now, even though this is 6% a day forever, if you redeposit, in other words, let's say you go make a deposit and you deposit from account balance, they will bump you from 6% to 8%. But for me, I'm gonna go ahead and withdraw. I'm gonna withdraw 105.82 to BTC. These are instant withdrawals. Lots of people are in this one. They're loving this one. Go ahead, get paid on that. Processed. And there's another, this has a $6 minimum. So if you put less than $100, you're not going to be able to get the minimum every day. Okay, I staggered a bunch of them. The first one I put 1,000, and then I put $100 every hour for about 5 or 6 hours. Let me show you what I did. Okay, let's go to your investments. Put 1,000, and then these I staggered 1 hour at a time, so I get paid every day. And these I reinvested at the 8% level. Okay, see, just by reinvesting from your account balance, and the way you do that is make a deposit, and instead of making a deposit from, you know, Bitcoin or whatever, you do make a deposit from account balance. That's how you reinvest. Now, my absolute favorite, why? Look, these are websites, they could disappear at any time, but a smart contract is immutable. It cannot be stopped. So right now I have over almost 15 ETH, $2,100 in here, and you can withdraw anytime. Now look, this is a contract. This is different. With HYIPS, you withdraw the minute it's there. With a contract, people want to see the contract building up. If you keep taking money out, the contract drains. This contract is absolutely on fire. Okay, it keeps growing day by day by day. So the trick for all of us who want to make this last is to hold off on our withdrawals. It's not like a HYIP where your withdrawals can be held up. If this website is down, we can go to the actual contract on the blockchain and withdraw our money. This cannot be stopped. Okay, this is incredible. The bigger this number gets, the more people FOMO in. And look, this pays 7% a day until you get 200%. We don't just want 200%. We want 7% a day for as long as we can pull it. You see this here? This is a jackpot that builds up. Okay, gets to a certain amount, the random number generator again on the smart contract goes ahead and picks someone, and I always check this, and it's always a different winner, and you get that sent directly to your wallet. I'll do another video that gives you more information on these wallets and how to get rid of stuck transactions and everything else. But it pays. It's super simple. This one is my hands down favorite right now. And if you think it's too late, I'm going to prove to you it's not. Now keep in mind the minimum is 0.5 ETH, a minimum of 0.5 ETH. You hit invest. I have insufficient balance right here because I have to transfer to this wallet, but you always add a number to the GUI right here. If it's 1, put a 1 in front of it, hit send, and it shows up almost instantly and starts paying you. This one is a monster, an absolute winner. People are going crazy on this, and guess what's gonna happen? As the Tron dApps get burnt out and oversaturated and the ROI daily plans are just not cutting it, these people like dApps. Where else are they gonna go? They're gonna come here, baby. Get ready for the onslaught. Take your position right now. Whether you put 1 ETH or like me, 15 ETH, it's up to you. But 7% of $2,100 a day is nice passive income. This can last forever as long as it's fed. It needs Ethereum to be fed. So those are my favorite 3, the only ones I'm touching right now. I don't like to lose money. I'm in main robots, I am in this hyper one, and I'm in this sketchy Hobag one. Okay, again, this is where you want to be. Put 241 in and take 954 out. These are monsters. I'm not telling you to get in these, I'm just telling you to take a good look. I'm gonna wrap this up here. Everybody have a great day. Subscribe, share the channel, hit the notification bell, and the minute something goes bad, I'll be the first one to tell you. Let's go get that money, baby.